Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Airbnb account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password, or by using your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your email address, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And now from the profile page, tap on personal information. Now within the personal info page, you will see the edit button alongside your email address. Tap on this button and now you will be about to edit your email address. Just type in your preferred email address that you wish to change into and then tap on the save button. And now you will be asked to check your inbox to verify your email address. So just check in the inbox of the new email address that you just entered and you will find the confirm email button. Go ahead and tap on it and now you will be told that your email has been verified, which means that you will now be able to use this new email address in order to log in to your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Airbnb. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.